Hi friends, this video shows how to connect Canon EF or EFS lens on Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. This is the EFS lens which I am going to connect to Canon R50 mirrorless camera. See, this is the Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera. We need an adapter like this. This is Canon EF-EOS R mount adapter. So we need this type adapter to connect EF or EFS lens on Canon R series camera body. So this is the place where we need to connect lens, EF or EFS lens. Here we can see one white mark, and this side, so this is the side which we need to connect to camera body. Here we can see one red mark. First I am going to connect this mount adapter on this camera body. So first we need to find this red mark on camera body, then find same red mark on this adapter. Then we have to align this red mark like this. Just put it like this. Then we need to rotate that adapter in clockwise direction. Right, rotate it in clockwise direction until we hear a tick sound. Done. See, now I have successfully connected this mount adapter on camera body. So next I am going to connect this lens, EFS lens. Take lens, then on this mount adapter find this white mark, then find this white mark on this lens. Then we have to align these white marks like this. Then rotate this lens in clockwise direction until we hear a tick sound. See, it's locked. So here we can see one lock on this mount adapter. So this way we can easily connect EF or EFS lens on Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera body. See, so if you want to remove this lens, it's very simple. First, using this lock mechanism, we can remove it. First we have to unlock. Just pull this locking system down, pull down, then rotate this lens in anti-clockwise direction. Done. So this way we can remove the lens. Next I am going to remove this adapter from the camera body. On camera we can see one button here. Press and hold this button, press and hold. Then rotate this mount adapter in anti-clockwise direction. See, so this way we can remove this mount adapter. Okay, so this way we can connect Canon EF or EFS lens on Canon EOS R50 mirrorless camera body. So I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please check it.